你講下緣起咧，2021年12月嘅時候咧，巴基斯坦駐香港嘅總領事嚟到香港中文大學，咁佢提出話其實有啲乜嘢香港嘅科研可以幫呢個巴基斯坦嘅農業一齊合作，可以提升下嘅各方面嘅技術咧咁樣。嗰陣時係疫情嘅期間嚟嘅，咁但係我哋都真係開始咗咯。咁我就一方面就四圍去揾下有啲咩巴基斯坦嘅農業嘅學校啦。喺一個過程裏邊，我發現原來我有接一個以前嘅博士後研究員喺我呢個實驗室受訓練嘅，已經翻到去自己嘅國家巴基斯坦裏邊，成為咗一位助理教授啦。咁亦都開展咗研究，係大豆嘅研究嚟嘅。咁於是我哋就開始咗喺旁遮普省做一啲耐熱嘅大豆研究啦。有幾個場面我都係覺得好感動嘅。咁有一次咁樣，我去到一個農村裏邊，可能啲小朋友知道我嚟幫手嘅，咁佢哋就排列隊，然後咧就我經過嘅時候，佢哋就將啲鮮花就放上我身上邊啦。咁我覺得佢哋真係好懂得去歡迎一啲願意幫助佢哋嘅人咯。原來大家都會好開心，雖然我都未有咩成績，但係佢哋已經懂得去感恩啦。咁而呢一種就係我想追求嘅人同人之間一種良好嘅關係。咁同呢個好似嘅，有一次我就去訪問巴基斯坦嘅時候，因為冇時間去晒所有嘅農場咧，有個農夫去行咗好多里路過嚟。咁我話點解咁辛苦都要嚟揾我啊咁樣？佢話其實淨係想做一樣嘢咧，佢就拎個手機出嚟，幫我睇下手機裏邊影咗嘅大豆。佢話呢啲就係你嘅大豆啦，喺我個農場度種得好好，所以好想嚟拎俾我睇下。咁好樸素嘅一種感情，淨係想俾我睇到啲嘢嘅成績係點樣。咁我覺得我好珍惜呢啲咁嘅友誼嘅，用科學去建構呢啲友誼係正係我想做嘅嘢咯。咁另一次嘅一個感受就係我哋可能去到一個唔同嘅地方，我先了解佢文化咯。我去到Facilitate 呢個大學裏邊，見到個圖書館門口咧係貼咗一個標語嘅。咁簡單嚟講，用中文嘅意思即係話，獲取知識是每一個穆斯林的責任，男的和女的。原來我哋一路以為即係喺穆斯林世界裏邊，女性係唔需要去學好多知識嘅，唔係嘅。其實每一個地方嘅人都希望進步，唔同種族、唔同宗教嘅人，其實都會不停咁朝住世界發展潮流進步咯。甚至我見到有一個女學生，佢同我講佢嘅願望，佢嘅願望係成為一個大學嘅校長。咁我覺得，原來年輕一代佢哋好多期望。咁如果我哋喺我哋嘅範圍裏邊能夠為佢哋去做一啲嘢，做一啲鋪墊，會唔會令到佢哋嘅願望成真咧？咁樣，咁所以呢啲都係我覺得比較特別啲嘅一啲感受。我諗呢個項目第一就都係符合即係國家開發一帶一路呢一個政策啦嚇。而我哋香港要尋找一個未來嘅機遇咧，可能就係要同呢啲發展中嘅國家早啲建立啲關係，而香港作為一個中國對外嘅窗口，一個橋梁，用我哋嘅知識去釋出善意，然後為未來嘅一啲契機去開啓唔同嘅門窗。咁呢啲都係我哋可以做到嘅嘢啦。咁我覺得巴基斯坦只係其中一站啫，因為我亦都有其他嘅項目，譬如喺呢個孟加拉啊、南非啊、阿根廷啊，其實都有好多好廣闊嘅天地咯。我相信我哋一步一步就會將件事向前推進。
The project I am taking part from Pakistan is that the evaluation of genetic resources in the Punjab province. Soybean crop is absent in Pakistan, so we are importing mainly from Brazil and USA, which is a huge cost for a country like Pakistan. The genetic resources you provided are very valuable for soybean establishment in Pakistan. Soybean have a huge opportunity in Pakistan. Legume crops are really missing in our cropping system. It will fix the nitrogen as well, and it will improve the soil structure. It will also improve our nutritional program in Pakistan as well.
I'm very thankful for Professor Lam Hon Ming for choosing Pakistan to implement his project. The Pakistan Soybean Project, Umeed Ke Beej, as the name says, meaning seed of hope. It is an answer to the project itself. My role of bridging from Hong Kong, my home, to Pakistan, my ancestral land, is a great honor.